In today's video, I'll show you how to save passwords in Microsoft Edge, making it easier to log into your favorite websites quickly and securely. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Passwords and Autofill, then select Microsoft Password Manager. Find the option Ask to save passwords and passkeys and turn it on. This will prompt Edge to offer saving passwords whenever you log in to a website. You can also add a password manually. Click the Add button, then enter your website URL, username, password, category, and any notes you want. Once done, click Add to save it securely. And that's it! That's how you save passwords in Microsoft Edge.